Morning legends. Yes, we're doing another episode. This one is going to be a little different, and I say that all the time, but this one really is. So I've flown to Queensland, I say north, around the Sunshine Coast, Gympie area. Come up for some family bits and pieces, and I thought I'd just do a quick video on one of the days I've got with one of my friends. Now I just want to give you a little backdrop on where I am right now. It does look very green, but I don't know if you can see the brown. Maybe where the brown is where the floodwater come up only a few weeks ago. I just want to show you this tree here. See this tree here? That entire tree was underwater. That horse float did actually stay there. It was quite surprising. That was 20-30 foot underwater. This car was obviously had been moved just in time. But yeah, you can see where the water got up to all the way around there. Not too sure. I did get my other phone out yesterday and I zoomed into this, but there's on that bridge it says Jackie and it says February 2022. And I said, guys, how did you write that up there? They said when we're on the kayaks, the water was level with the bridge there, and they writ it then. It's unimaginable, unimaginable, how crazy. All them 4Bs all underwater. The shipping containers up there, all underwater. And these guys have just taken me in, no problems. Yeah, so massive shout out to the guys that have taken me in. Shirley, you've been fantastic. But yeah, today we're gonna go to the beach, take the 4Bs out to the beach. I did bring a fishing rod and a couple of lures with me, thinking I might get a bit of downtime. Yeah. So we're just on the way to Rainbow Beach, Tin Can Bay, Fraser Coast, somewhere around that way. We don't know where we're going, but there's a little creek here. Shez really want me to check out, so we just stopped at Ceres Creek. It's just a little walk down here, and apparently it's beautiful. So let's go. So, yeah, obviously the water's a bit dirty with all the floods they've had and all the rain they've had. But, oh, it smells funny, eh? It smells like flood water. It really is.
They both just screwed it up. There, see them over there right at the dark end.
Alright, Yabby one, Camperbout, Neil. So let's go. We have really been given a treat today. I haven't tried the bugs, I haven't tried cray. And what crabs are these? These aren't sand crabs. I think I've tried swimmers before, but these are sand crabs.
And these are your best because they're Balmain. They're not just more. Everyone says Morton. You wait till you taste these. They got their own garlic flavour to them.
Lovely. And that cray's a big cray, isn't it?
That's a little one.
Oh, it's a little one. Shit.
There are any eggs on them?
We have really got a seafood feast on our hands. Not sure if not going to like it. I've already let Bernie know that. Don't be offended. But,
I'll like it.
Everyone else will like it. It won't go to waste. And we've got a freshie as well that we're going to cook on the pan. Some garlic and bits and pieces. And then afterwards, the tide's just heading out. Jump in the 4B and head all the way down the beach and see if we can find some fish. They've just bought a crayfish, so he's just caught a crayfish and he's bringing it down, he's cooking it, but didn't bring the frying pan. So I used English charm and I've just got a frying pan from the farm, the van over there. So let's get some cray on. I'm gonna grab a beer. Oh no, what have I just found here? Lovely.
Look at the colours.
Yo, we're gonna cook this up. I don't know how, this is new to me. I didn't catch this, but this is gonna be fun. Ah, it's attacking me. Just a bit of oil, butter, garlic. So yeah, just cook the prawns for a couple of minutes, not too long. And they got a trim strip as well, like a prawn, and maybe take it out, you don't bother?
No, really I should just break that out there.
Yeah.
That's all your body there. And then you just
pull it. Lovely. There's so much meat in there.
some more meat up in there.
Yeah.
Up in there.
Wash it up in there.
Just wash that out.
And that's the best meat, or you reckon tail is?
Oh, the tail.
Tail. Good on. It actually smells really nice, really garlicky, buttery. It's only been on there for a minute. And prawns look deliciosos. But again, I don't like any of this. I have never had like this stuff. Beautiful, right now. Yeah, in a couple more minutes. You know what I'm like with seafood.
Good, eh? Fresh off the boat.
That is really good. That is so good. There's a hint of fish in there, but it's still good. That's really good. I like that. I so wish I could live off the land and eat fish, but no. But cray, never tried it before. It is a little bit fishier.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
No, that grew on me, that actually. Get back to when I clean myself up. Back me now. Just like the other one. Bigger version. Alright, so we got a little bit of this. So this isn't a Morton bug bait. This, what is this?
Balmain.
A Balmain bug. Oh yeah. Shell on it, that is not a good start. That's sick. I like that. I like that, I like that a lot. No, don't.
No, you don't like
No,
Balmain.
don't like that.
Oh, Hayden, it's
too
the best
fishy.
of them all.
Let me try another bit in a minute. Let me clear my palate.
Yeah.
I am absolutely spoiled today. I don't deserve this. I don't appreciate it. Oh, these are so good. I really do like these. Alright. Now let me try some of this bug now. A little bit fishy towards the end there, but that was nice. Can I try a little bit more of this bug?
Yeah.
I had a bit of shell in mine.
Like it fresh, you want
This
it
one.
like that.
These are the ones.
No, this one. This one's the one that's meant to be the dog's bollocks. But I had a bit of shell in it,
Oh, okay.
just a little bit. Yeah, fuck yeah. All right. So this is again, what is this? Not a Moreton Bay bug. This is a
Balmain.
Balmain bug. So I like it to start with. No, that one was much nicer. I like that.
Yeah, and you'll be able to
I
tell
like
the
that.
difference when you have it.
I like that. Proper living off the land.
Oh,
Anyone want some bug?
Plate full of seafood. Almost 15 of, no, 10 of us. No worries. I did like it all actually. The first bug I didn't really like. There was a bit of a shell in there, put me off straight away. And the second bit I did. It all did taste like fish, but I got used to that little taste, but it was just right at the back. I couldn't really taste it. But yeah.
He's not eating any boys.
Alright. We're gonna finish up here, clean up, get in the 4B, go for a fish. Come on. Yeah, alright. We're just down on the beach. Where the flags are, you can swim here. I'll take you down onto the beach in a second. I'm just setting up me $20 rods. That was $20 from Kmart, and that was $20 from Kmart. I bought my reels in the suitcase. I just bought a few lures. But yeah, the 4B's gonna come down here and meet us in a second, and then we're gonna take the 4B up to Inskip Point along Rainbow Beach and try and find some fish. Let's go. Alright, Inskip Point. Stonefish. Just gonna go have a little look-see. Most dangerous fish. You got one, mate. Let's have a look. Wow. That's a proper one, eh? Oh shit. It's just along the dorsal in there, right? Yeah.
The longest ones, yeah.
Oh, he was barely walking, bro.
Don't touch it.
That's there.
Yeah, they're the spikes.
They're the spikes just there. Alright. Come on, buddy.
Don't.
See, bro, just roll it in.
Push it.
Watch him go. Watch him go. Look at him.
Most dangerous fish in the world, that one. Literally, the most dangerous fish in the world. Oh, alright, we did try this spot. We fished it hard. I flicked out several lures, lost a couple of lures, switched to bait, was getting pecked by loads of little fish. But then the guys that I lent the rod to, they caught a stonefish. And I wanted to come across a stonefish. I wanted to learn how to handle it. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I really want to learn how to handle the stonefish. And I kind of put my hand underneath him, just used the thumb and threw him in. I wasn't too confident with it. But yeah, we're going to go to Inskip Point, the closest point to Fraser by mainland. You can't get any closer there. Every time I've been there, I've seen tuna schools, I've seen fish. So for the next half hour, I'm just going to flick out some big lures on the big rod and see if we can get one hit, one strike. Come on, let's go. Dodgy ass road though. So over there, I don't know if you can hear me, but over there is Fraser Island, Kakari Island. The barge is just coming back, and I bloody can't wait to get over there. fish. Yes! Do we know there's fish out there?
Take a look at this legends. Shez, I caught this one.
See you in Skip Point. So hopefully we'll be back. The fuel doesn't stay at $3. Unfortunately, I just cannot afford it. If fuel's $3, I cannot afford to bring the patrol down it. But anyway, this spot. Oh, such a soft spot for this spot. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. You know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches clean, and ciao for now.